So guys, now we are going to see how to fill this 5257 from super visa point of view. So in our sample case, John is applying along with Maria because their son Peter is inviting. So this form is for John, but similar we need to do for Maria also. Okay. Let's say John is applying for the very first time, so there is no UCI. I mean, they have never applied to IRCC before, but if you have applied, definitely put this UCI because anyway, IRCC is gonna find it. Visa requested, register. I select because that's a super visa. Full name as shown. So I'll say John. Family name first. I apologize. So Smith, John Smith. Have you ever used any other nickname? I said no. Gender, date of birth. Whatever you have entered during the questionnaire, guys, it should match. Otherwise, while you upload after saving, it will create trouble. And this form needs to be validated at the end because then it will generate the barcodes. So make sure you do that. Citizenship. Current country or territory of residence. Let's say this guy is in India. Status, let's say, is a citizen. Okay. Previous country. During past 5 years, have you lived in any country or territory other than your country of citizenship or your current country? So no, he has been in country, and I mean he has not gone out for more than 6 months. So I said this. Country or territory, same country of residence. Yes, he's applying from India. Marital status, he is married. If you're married, gonna provide the date on which you got married. Okay. So let's say he got married in 1983. Not too early here, right? Ah. Provide the name of a current spouse partner. So let's say his spouse partner name is Maria Smith. Have you ever previously been married combination? No. He's a very loyal guy. Language, native language, because he's from India. Let's say his native language is Hindi. Just sample, guys. Do it as per your own guess. Are you able to communicate English or French? I select yes, English. Have you taken any exam? I select no. Passport details. Be very careful. No mistake. Date of issue 2024 and then valid. Typical Indian passport valid for 10 years. Do you have a nationality ID document? So when I had applied, expiry date. Oh, I missed it. 2034 I should have done. Sorry. Yeah. So when I had applied, I had to use my PAN card and it was accepted. Okay. But now in India, you get Aadhaar card and other stuff too. Just put it nicely. Are you a green card holder? I select no. Current mailing address. Of course, you know your address, right? I don't have to tell you. Same way. Postal code. Residential, same as mailing, yes. Telephone number, I am selecting other. Let's say he has an Indian phone number and cellular, and India's country code is 91. Email address, very important, guys. I'm doing sample. Don't do like that. Provide proper email address because this is where they're going to communicate. Purpose of my visit. So this is very important. Super visa for parents and grandparent. How long you're planning to stay? Let's say he's going from 2026. Oh, 01/30 to 2027 01/30. Just sample, like of course, like nowadays they have extended how long you can stay. So, but just for the sample, I'm doing it. Funds available for my stay, let's say sample. Name of any relationship and say you will visit. So name, let's say Peter Smith. His relationship to me, parent, address in Canada, or Peter's address. Have you had any post-secondary education? I select yes. So let's say John studied 18 plus 2, so 1970. Oh my God. So difficult data. Delhi Scientific College. Is there any college like that? I don't know. I'll make a college. Ah, oh, 1981. Oh, 2981. My God, who's gonna live that much longer? I wish I can, but I'll be too old then perhaps. Take it down. New Delhi country, India. Employment. Give the details of employment past, including when you had any government position. Okay. Do not leave any gap. If retired not working, studying, please indicate. Retired, please provide 10 years before current activity. Before your retirement. Okay. Let's say this guy got retired in 1960, 2020. 2020, 01. Retired. Now 10 years before also they want. So let's say 20, 10, he was, let's say, like a store clerk. Let's say fairly fancy shop. Just sample guys into test for you. Yes. We need to proceed like that. Within past 2 years, have a family member had tuberculosis or lungs? I select no. Physical matters or no. Have you ever been remained beyond the validity of the status attended school? Issued visa permit denied entry? Click no. Firstly applied. He has never applied before to Canada. I said no. Have you ever been committed or arrested for charge any offense? Serve in a military, militia, civil defense? Ever been in a political party? No. Ill treatment of prisoners? No. Contacted by CIC in future? Yes. You can put the date. Now for online application, you don't need to sign, but yeah, validation you should do. And it's going to generate barcode. Okay, fine. All right, so see, barcodes have been generated. Now save it and you can upload it in your IRCC account. Okay. In the signature, you can leave it blank or you can also type your full name too. That's fine. So same thing we need to do for Maria also. But again, like I'm going to take you back to the application.